We'll walk you through the simple yet effective shingle lap method for applying Force Field Premium Tape to a penetration. Follow these steps for a professional grade seal. First, start with the bottom to create the base layer of protection. Next, apply the tape along the sides, overlapping the bottom layer. Finally, finish by applying the tape to the top. Overlapping each layer ensures water flows down and away, protecting the structure from damage. Apply firm pressure using your hand to ensure a continuous bond between the tape and the surface. This eliminates wrinkles and air bubbles for a smooth finish and maximum adhesion. Visit BuildGP.com to learn more about Force Field Premium Tape today.